myself, Victor. I'm currently working as an automation software tester. So I'm extremely new to IT. EduBridge actually opened the gateway to join the IT industry. My degree background is from electrical and electronics. One of my friends recommended EduBridge. A few friends were placed here to Capgemini, so they referred me. But at that period, I'm not much interested in IT, so I'm really poor at coding. So I don't want to mess up all the things. So I tried in my core company. So I have a healthy career gap in between. I didn't be able to find a job as a fresher in other fields so easily. So one of my friend referred me here. So because of her only, I have joined EduBridge and I have 1.5 years experience now. Actually, before EduBridge, I didn't even imagine myself in a software company. Even to be honest, I just only know how to turn on a PC or laptop. Obviously, I didn't know anything into tech. And first of all, when I joined EduBridge, I'm kind of scared because other teammates, compared to myself, others are really good at communication as well as coding and really poor at communication at the beginning. So my fluency really improved with EduBridge because my homates were from other regions of India, from the other regions. So everybody commonly spoke English during the classes. So everybody improved their English knowledge. Actually, one thing stood out to me in EduBridge is their timings. They allotted me. First of all, I have a few issues with the timings. So basically, my parents were shopkeepers. It's before COVID, I guess, just before COVID, and I used to go to their shop and help them. So I can't able to join the classes. So I requested the recruitment team to uh, have a different timing window. So they allotted me 6 to 9. So it is very helpful to me to focus on my other works plus coding. So this helped me a lot. With the first initial first week, we didn't started with coding. They differently started with kind of communication. We got a different trainer there. She told us everybody regarding the interview process and how to spoke confidently regarding our body languages, decision making skills. So she gave a lot of confidence, and that is the first time. Previously, the thing which changed myself is previously we used to call everybody ma'am, sir, miss, teacher like that. After joining Edible, she told me just call me with my name. Everybody hesitated to call her with their name because that's the first time after college or school. So after the first time, we didn't spoke like a tutor to a student conversation. It's like a co-worker with a different age group. It really helps me in the professional industry life also. I never hesitated to call anyone with their names. With this perspective, everybody knows that I have few experience with technology. So he has been previously worked among those professional people. Initially, they told that it is a 6 month wide program. We can be placed between 4 to 6 months. That is a project period. First, initially, we started with simple coding. That's the first time I have ever write a code. Actually, I have this much. I didn't expect that seriously to be surviving in a company for almost 1 year. I took in some aspect I have a lot of insecurities. So in my communication as well as my coding, if anybody watching me coding directly, I even I am good at coding also. I can't be able to write a single line of code. The thing came to my mind that he is monitoring. If you make any mistake, he will correct you. Lack of confidence, a kind of lack of confidence thing. My trainer spot on that thing, and she used to make different rooms in the Zoom calls where we will be 3 to 4 members. Yeah, a guy or girl who is really good at coding. She used to help everyone, and few new people. A few are not very familiar to coding. So we used to learn together, and we didn't have that feeling. Okay, someone is watching like that. Actually, the feel is like someone is teaching us. Like nobody's correcting or nobody's judging us in EduBridge. There isn't any specific reason, but I never thought I will be doing such a course and joining in IT industry. It's all that credit should go to my friends. They only pushed me from, for example, I never came out of my locality. My school is here only. My college is also here only. They helped me to get out of my comfort zone, which helped me to end up here. Initially, they told me, "Hey, there is nothing to be afraid of. There isn't any English thing like that." So I'm very confident. Okay, we can survive somewhat in EduBridge. But at the first time, everybody is trying to speak their native language, for example, Hindi, Bengali. So everyone is kind of confused. Okay, but the thing is, they never judge. That's the huge benefit here. The choosing EduBridge is completely depends on my two or three friends. Two of them placed in Germany. One other is just joined the company. After that, she also got placed in Infosys. The major credit should be go to them only. Initially there is two language and two framework. For example, Python is a language, Django is a framework. So Python and Django is carried out entirely by Preeti ma'am. She gave the entire confidence to the entire team, not only me. She made coding very easy. Actually, I'm a very slow learner. I didn't understand the topic. If she took the topic today, 6 to 9, uh, by seeing her code, we thought that okay, we understood that we can code like that. But if she used to give some assessment before ending the session. If I go and do the assessment, we literally don't know how to start the coding itself. So, but with that assessment, at the next day, I will be really good on the previous day's class. At least I'm a late learner, but I'm learning. That is that boosts our confidence. And then Ruby on Rails, he's from your organization only, Jayan, I guess. He's a manager kind of role person. He came as a mentor in absence of another mentor. He taught us Ruby on Rails. He shared his own experience because he's too young. We didn't believe he got this much huge role in this young career. He is around 25 or 24 that time. He inspired a lot. He didn't teach much, but he taught the lesson for life, how to be successful, how to be. He always told that there isn't no one is your competitor. You are learning together. If anyone thought you are their competitor, it is good for you only. They are also learning from you. At least to break down, they are learning something. So don't take anything seriously. Just focus on your process. Placement process is really good. After completing around the 70 percentage of the entire course, they assign me a separate placement manager. Her name is Priya, I guess. She called me regularly and told us about a few jobs matching my profile according to my performances. So while while completing this course, actually I have applied to 6 jobs. I thought first interview is really easy. I didn't believe how couldn't I clear that. I couldn't able to clear the first interview. Really, I got depressed. Then I came to my mentors because one of our uh, co-mate got the job. The company is from Mumbai. She got the job. None of them got the job. We are really surprised because the process is really easy. We our confidence is totally gone. Like if you are not able to crack this interview, how can you going to crack any other interview? This is the easiest part. Like that. So they told you just don't compare with herself. You are unique. You have some other skills. If she is good at her own skills, you have a separate skills. You will definitely get a better job compared to her, and it will be unique for you. She can't able to do your job. You can't able to do her job. So focus on yourself. You will be able to clear the. So I got the second interview exactly on my birthday. She called on my birthday. I thought she is going to wish me for the birthday, but I was wrong. She called me to inform that you got a company which is from Bangalore, that is Bangalore. You should apply. We hope you can crack the interview. So from the entire EduBridge, we almost 70 to 18% attended the interview. So I'm the only one who cracked the interview, technical interview only. There isn't any. communication or HR round. So that is a positive for me. I'm really strong at technically I'm really strong in coding, but I have a lot of insecurities in my communication at the time. So I informed to my mentor there, and he is so happy and proud more than me. He he called everyone and informed, hey, my student got placed, and out of 18, he's the only one who got placed. He told to everybody in that 3 hour class. He didn't teach at all at the day. He's so happy. Currently, I'm an associate SDET, which stands for Software Development Engineering Test. I'm doing automation testing with various software frameworks and technologies. Uh, this credit should go to my first employer, Mount Blue. Their training session is very intense. It is up to industry levels. So when I cracked the interview, I thought it is going to be very tough. When I go see their boot camp, it is really intense. We have to learn 6 to 7 languages and frameworks within 2.5 months. So it is really intense. This thing helped. My mentor from Mount Blue and my mentor from EduBridge for the same thing. If you know one language, you can code in whatever the language you want. So if you learn Python, you can be a Java developer as well as JavaScript developer because the logic is same. The syntax is different. So syntax will be available in any of the online platform like W3 School, Hacker Rank, or any Stack Overflow. So don't worry about that. Just think about the logic. The logical reasoning skills is more important as a developer. Whatever the role you are doing, you just have the skill. Believe in yourself. If you stuck at any point, don't waste your time. You just approach it positively. You can solve all the things. That's what I'm doing now. It's going well for me. Golden Advice means they really started a very good platform to start their career. I can say it very confidently because I came through that path only. So if I can crack an interview and I can survive in a company for more than 1.5 months, everybody can do it because I was such a poor student in my uh, all the aspects in my degree, in my school studies. I'm really poor and I lack confidence. I never spoke with anybody by seeing their eyes. I'm really shy. So now I overcome all the insecurities. So they have the willpower and they have the rapport. So they just need not to worry that it's not a big task. We can break down the big task. So, but one thing they want to know is the industry out there is somewhat different. What we are learning is to just crack the interview. After cracking the interview, you should still learn. The learning never stops. You should upgrade yourself constantly. You shouldn't be relaxed at any point that okay, it's over, we cracked a job. It's not a government job. We don't have that job security in IT sector. We have to put our efforts constantly, but it is really easy. I can assure that. And the one thing is never mug up anything. In coding and IT, you learn, practice, and forget. You just need that knowledge. If you face any issue, you need the confidence. Okay, I have seen the issue, this kind of issue already, so I know the solution. That for the confidence, we should need to practice, but never mug up.